Invoicing is essential for businesses as it ensures accurate financial tracking and legal protection, maintaining cash flow and professionalism. Timely invoices help manage payments efficiently, fostering trust with clients. Additionally, they simplify tax and commission preparation and compliance. Let us get into more details on how Condat can efficiently help you with invoice process and commission claims. Go to All Clients and view the client whose invoices you want to add. Go to the Account section. You will see Add Invoice button. There are different accounts that you can add invoices to, like college accounts, student account, agent accounts, and general account and visa account based on their type of applications. Let's say we are claiming commission for student named John Flem, who has applied for Bachelor's in IT and is enrolled for 6 semesters. Click on Service Application and view his application, or you can create a new one if it's not already added. You then go to College Invoice and create an invoice. You will see different fields to input the amount and commissions. Let us suppose the tuition fee is $8,000 per semester, enrollment fee is $200, and the agency commission is 15% plus GST. Also, you are receiving a bonus of $200 for the first term, and then you can add that in the other commissions. The system will calculate your total commission along with the total amount owed to the college. Now click on Submit and create more invoice to create 5 additional invoices for future commission. Here we choose 5 in the number of additional invoices. For duration, if it is higher education, then 4 months. If it is vocational course, it is 3 months. Then the next start date will be the next semester, which will probably be March. We then remove enrollment fee and also bonus since we're only claiming that for the first semester. Now, once you submit, the system will automatically create all the future invoices based on the duration provided and set up reminders for you. Current invoice to be claimed will be under recent invoices, and invoices for future term will be under future invoices, along with the reminders set up for you to send those invoices to college. So now you're not going to miss out on any invoices. You can either print an invoice or email invoice to college directly from the system, and once you have claimed the commission, just go to Add Payment and enter the commission paid amount. You can also create invoices for all semesters for students at the same time. Select College Invoices and then choose Student Invoices and then apply. A form with all invoices to be created for a student will pop up. If the student is offered $800 discount for each semester, you can also enter $800 in the discount field and apply to all. Amount on the discount field will be deducted from the total. You can either apply the discount to all or leave it based on the discount scheme. Scroll down and click on Add. In this case, I have applied for discount for all the semesters. If the student has made the payment, you can click on the action button and select Add Payment. An Add Payment pop-up will appear on the screen. You can select which payment method was used to make the payment and also select the payment type to clarify if the client made the payment via company or directly paid it to the college. Once the payment is added, it appears in the recent payment section, making it easier for you to track payments. You can also print out the receipt by going to the recent payment and clicking on the action button. You can either print the receipt, download the receipt, or email the receipt to your clients. Similarly, if you have a sub-agent, then you can create a commission plan in the similar way. You just have to select sub-agent and apply and enter the commission split.